Dyma prosiect cyntaf ar ni gymeryd fel cyngor Plwy yn Aberdyfi fan hyn. Fel da chi'n gweld, mi oedd yna allotments fan hyn oedd yn biau y cyngor Gwynedd. Mi oedd yna rhyw 2 neu 3 yn iwsio'r allotments yma, ond oedd mwyafrif ond efo wedi gordyfu yn goed ac yn ialwch mawr. A mi ges i sgwrs efo'r cyngor, ac mi oedd yna chydig o gymorth gen nhw, oedd yna mwy neu bodlon i ni gymeryd allotments drosodd, a dyna ddigwyddodd. Ac erbyn heddiw, mae yna 13 allotments fan hyn heddiw, a fel da chi'n gweld, mae nhw'n edrych yn ardderchog yn de.
This particular opportunity was presented to us by Gwynedd Council. It had been for 10 years a free car park and was difficult to maintain cost effectively from their base in Carnarvon. We calculated that we could take it over, convert it into a pay and display facility and generate revenues for the benefit of our own community. The first 2 years have proved to be incredibly successful, and we've been able to purchase the community playing field adjacent to the car park, embark upon a programme of refencing and maintenance, and had enough left in the kitty to spend on other village infrastructure projects.
Wel, fel welwch chi tu cefn i mi fan hyn, hon oedd yr ysgol gynradd yn Aberdyfi. Fel oedd hi nôl y toriadau, mi gaiodd hi flwyddyn yn ôl. Ac da ni wedi cael gwybodaeth wrthnos yma, neu da ni wedi cael cynnig i ar-les. Felly, da ni'n edrych rwan am wneud defnydd o'r ysgol. A'r syniad sydd gan y cyngor cymuned ydy felly wneud un ganolfan dydd i'r hen bobl.
I think adopting a policy like this gives us the opportunity to have a certain amount of control over our own destiny as a community. The other benefits are that we believe we can provide these services more efficiently, more effectively, and probably more cost effectively than Gwynedd can. And it's a relationship of mutual benefit. We control our own destiny, control our own costs, and create cost savings for Gwynedd.
Dwi'n teimlo bod y gymuned wedi bod reit positif i'r adar agwedd mae'r cyngor cymuned wedi cymeryd i at y cyfleoedd yma da ni wedi cael gan cyngor Gwynedd. Ac dwi'n ymgynghori bob cyngor Plwy yn Gwynedd os gewn nhw gynnig rhywbeth gen y cyngor i gymeryd o'n de. Ac mae'n afanteisio nhw gwneud. Mae'n bosib creu gwaith i bobl lleol i wneud y gwaith. A hefyd os gewch chi gynnig rhywbeth lle mae'n ychydig o incwm dod ono fo, wel cymeryd o'n de.
I think it's very simple. Be open-minded, spot opportunities as they come along, and examine them, take them apart, and move forward, but don't be afraid.